Hello, and welcome to my screencast on transcription. Transcription is basically the synthesis of mRNA from DNA. The mRNA is then transferred to the ribosome for translation. So, um, transcription occurs in three steps. The first step is initiation. This involves the signal latching on to the promoter on the template strand of the DNA. The promoter is basically the gene location. Here is the promoter. Uh, so this would be the promoter on this DNA, and this right here is the template strand. Templates. Here's the template strand. So the signal will latch onto the promoter on the data box. The data box is where the transcription is gonna start, and it's called data box because it's made up of thymine and adenine. So once the signal attaches to the data box, helicase enzymes will break down the nitrogen. It'll break down the hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases on the DNA. So after this occurs, the DNA will wind itself back. So the second step of transcription is elongation. This occurs when RNA polymerase attaches to the complex of the signal and the promoter. So it'll attach to the complex of the signal and promoter, and will read the from 3' end to 5' end. So here's the direction of the transcription, and it'll only focus on the gene sequence around this region, around the promoter region. So as it keeps reading the gene sequence, it'll copy it and will leave behind an RNA strand. So here's the RNA strand, and it'll synthesize the RNA strand from 5' to 3'. So that's elongation. The final step is termination and processing. In this step, basically what will occur in this step is the pre-RNA will be spliced. So basically, we will take out the unnecessary part. The unnecessary part is called introns, and the useful part is called exons. So we'll basically take out the useless part. Like this could be an intron and keep the exon. So this could be an exon. So basically, in the final step, F5 cap, F5 prime end cap will be placed on the 5' end of the pre-RNA, and a 3' end poly A tail will be attached to the 3' end of the pre-RNA. So the next step, so what's going to happen next is splicing. Together with splicing, once all of this occurs, the pre-RNA will become mRNA, and will be released out of the cell for translation. So thank you.